Well, it just didn't work out with the head. It still didn't have any compression, so I went ahead and pulled the motor. I'll be getting one in a couple of days. Of course, it is Christmas time here right now. I'm filming this, so Monday will be Christmas. This is the engine here. We got it out earlier today, and like I said, I'll be getting one in a couple of days, so that will be the next adventure of my Escort Restoration. I'm gonna clean up everything right here. Clean, pressure wash all this, clean it up real good. I don't know if I'll paint anything, but make sure everything looks real good on here. But just subscribe and stay tuned for we'll be putting the motor in a couple days. Thanks for watching.